Of the Boostly podcast. We're in episode 42 and we've got another marketing review lined up for you. One business that is in Scotland, one business that is in America. What we're going to do is, as we did last night and as we've done on all of these, we are going to go through the form one by one. We're going to go through the answers. Now, the person that we're going to be helping first of all this evening is Jackie Robertson. Business is in Scotland. Clondart. My pronunciation of that is absolutely shocking. I do apologise. But let's get started. Where are you based? It's based in Scotland. How many years have you been running the business for? 6. Which of these best describe your property? Single rental property. Tell me about your business. What is your unique selling point? So again, it's remote luxury. Which of the marketing channels have you attempted in the past? Facebook ads, email marketing. Which do you wish to have a go at but don't know how? Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So would like to have a little bit more of that. Here you've got the accommodation and availability and rates. So you've just got check availability rates and accommodation. The pictures scrolling through are stunning, and again it really tells me everything that pretty much what I need to know, i.e. it's by the beach. It's a romantic getaway, and again, I haven't seen this website before. Next is we're going to go to America. Lorena Ducknick from the business is the Russell in Nashville, Tennessee. Beautiful Tennessee. So a little known fact about me: from 2002 to 2008, I was a soccer coach. And I used to travel around America teaching soccer for 5-6 months at a time.